Hello everyone, today we are going to review the Insta360 Link 2, which is a motorized camera, not cheap, 230. You can have a non-motorized one for 60 less. You can choose against the HubSpot Tiny 2 Lite or the HubSpot Mid 2, which are the same kind of webcam. A little unboxing and setup. The product came in a very nice box, a bit like a big smartphone box, and after you open it, you can see it's a very teeny tiny device, very neat, and yes, it may be a bit fragile, but it's a bit heavy too. There's a foot which is very sturdy, thick metal. You can angle like that to set it up, and there's a powerful magnet. So here is it on the top of my big screen. Then you just place the camera on it, and now you just have to plug the USB-C cable, which is provided. So this is an actual camera. Let's see first about sound quality. Here is a recording of my desktop with Insta360 Link controller software, and as you can see we have all the settings there. I'm recording now with the microphone here, my fine, which is very fine, and I will switch on to the microphone of the camera. So let's switch. Now I'm recording with the microphone of the camera, and as you can see, even if I move, the sound is still okay, so it's working really fine. I can activate the AI follow, so I did click, so when I move, it moves. It's very smooth, so it's good. And I can use gesture to stop and start this mode with this hand like this, but it's a bit too sensitive, so I prefer to use the icon on the software there. And you can adjust all the settings. You can record some presets about the camera position. That is very good. You can have but if the camera is not a little over your desk, you can see how it ends. It's not good. There's a perspective, so you should move the camera a bit over the screen. When you press it again, it will go to the previous position with a small gap as I record here. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see there's a small gap each time you switch onto those modes. Into the image, you can have a background. It works a bit like on Zoom calls or Teams from Microsoft, so you can add small gaps. You can add a blur, you can add a background there. It's okay-ish, like Teams and Zoom and so on. You can have some filters to enhance the color, to give another style. Not very useful. Everything is set to auto here on my setting. It's very good. And you can there enable or disable the AI gesture, and audio mode for isolation, meaning you zoom on the sound. You can suppress noises. I don't know what music mode is. You can flip the camera, and there you are. It's very nice. However, it consumes quite a lot of CPU power. As you can see, if I sort this, the software plus the virtual camera services, both are taking about 15%. That's something. Okay, OBS, I'm recording right now, but even without OBS, there's still about 10 to 15% on a good machine, huh? It's AMD Ryzen 7. Now I'm recording through OBS directly from the source with chroma key enabled, so I put this picture right behind me. This is nice. There's not a lot of specialized lighting, just basic ones, and everything is okay. You can see. Great setup. Let's try the function that focus onto the whiteboard with those markers. As you can see, I do this, and with the gesture, we will focus and zoom on the whiteboard. If I do the same gesture again, it will go back, but there's a little gap in the sound. I will count so you can see that. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. As you can see, there's a small gap, so you must have a little pause if you're online giving a course. Let's have a look on image quality. I took my old footage of this year taken with smartphones or my old Sony camera, and here is the result. And now you can see on the left the new camera, and yes, it's really better. So very nice indeed. So in conclusion, is this a perfect camera for YouTuber? The good, it has excellent video quality like a really high-end smartphone. It has a ton of useful functions, follow gesture settings, and it can replace all my other solutions for sedentary shooting, and it's really better than entry-level Sony camera. On the other side, it's not a cheap product, 230 excluding promotion. It's 4K, but there's no optical zoom, so when you zoom in, there's less pixel, and not every function works in 4K. It needs a good PC because it consumes some power. And yes, it's not really a problem. The head in front gesture is triggered too easily, but this can be specifically disabled. So I think it's really a good product, really easy to use and very versatile. In automatic mode, the colors and exposure are nice, which is a very good point. And the sound is okay too. It can zoom in the sound, so you don't need a microphone unless you want a really high quality sound with bass. This is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe, and please leave a comment if you want. Until the next video, stay cool!